Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. What's up YouTube? I'm back again with a brand new video. This time we're unboxing the new 350 Boost Yeezys. The colorway is, I don't know how to pronounce it. YECHEIL. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Look at that. There we go. That's the first look right here. We have 5 colors going in here. We got the neon green. This looks like a little beige or light pink. We got the maroon and obviously the black in the middle here. And inside, I paid $240 for this. We got the ADIDAS YEEZY, non-reflective. The tag is over here. And look out for the fake ones out there, because I know there's a lot of fake ones, fake Yeezys going out. The only way to find out, I believe, is there's a blue light that to shine on the sneakers and it glows. The sneaker glows like on the side here or something. I've seen it somewhere. You got the ADIDAS right on the top over here. Size 9.5. I usually wear a 9, but these are a little narrow from the top, so I got a 9.5. Here we are. More pairs. These are the new Yeezys 350 Boost. I'm gonna add this along with my collection. I love the colorway. The colorway is very nice, very unique. Let's see how they look on the feet. How they look on the feet. The shoelaces are reflective.